Hello and welcome to Quell. And here at Quell we talk a lot about workplace violence, and within that is our sub-subjects, and one of them being personal safety. Now, about 3 months ago I did a video on the WalkSafe app, and I got a lot of feedback, and I got a lot of our own clients and attendees on our courses who actually download it for their own personal safety when they're out walking or travelling. And what's happened is you've got Emma Kay now, who's the co-founder. She's doing brilliant job marketing on LinkedIn and things like that and social media to let people know that this app exists, it's free, and there's no marketing on it and anything like that, but it's there to basically help you or give you that slight upper hand in your personal safety. And what I like about it as well is when I've seen the feedback on some of the Android apps, the way you give the feedback, I've noticed a chap at home, I've actually replied back to some people. So if someone says something negative, they've actually come back and said, well, actually, this is what you actually do. So I'm quite impressed with that, to tell you the truth. My only opinion is it's like giving someone a free bicycle and then saying to them, off you go, there's a free bike, and then them looking at you and complaining that they have to pump their own tyres up. I mean, it's just stupid. So this app, yeah, if you want advanced, go and pay £10 a month for procs to some of the lone working companies and get it. But something that can download onto your respective mobile phone and be free is pretty good. So what I want to do is just have a quick look at it and we'll see what you think. So as you can see, here's some of the apps I've done videos on before. There's the What 3 Words, the Zello, the WalkSafe, that's probably by the time I release this video is probably been deactivated or removed from the actual app stores. And now you've got the WalkSafe Plus. So again, I hit it, comes up with the area of where I am, which is in Hollywood. As you can see there, still got the old icons, which is good. That means obviously I'll hit this. It tells it was an assault, certain distance away from where I am. There was a knife crime, etc. Not very nice things. And I know when you have the actual app on full all the time, that means always active, it can beep you in your pocket and say that there is some that's happened within that area. I've noticed from a lot of the comments, people don't like that. It wouldn't say necessarily scares them, but it concerns them, but it's a feature that's there. So I mean, it's something that can keep you alert if you're planning a route. You go up to your top left, again you have obviously your settings, there's my details there, help center, help us improve, which is contact us, and I do believe they'll listen. You got down to inviting people, block users, anything in that area that gives you just that little bit more information if you're not too sure on how to use it, because I will remind you, it's quite a complex app that's free. Okay, so again, as you'll see, there's all the area, and that's where our offices are in Hollywood. It's all our area there. It gives a good detailed map. Okay, again, you've got all your features down here. This is how I plot my route. So I start my WalkSafe journey. Where do I want to go? Well, I'll just put the centre of Belfast. It's asking me, will you be taking public transport to reach your destination? I could say yes or no. Let's just say no. So I'm going to be walking. It gives me an idea of where I am from my current location. There's one of my friends. That's my colleague. I've just put them in just for now. Okay, and it's told me an estimated time to get there by obviously walking and a route is about 3:15, and then again I'll do is hit my journey and then I'm away. So that's something that's there. Want to cancel my current walk? Yes, I do. So I'm happy with that. And then I've got other things in here, like I said. Do I want to alert my friends that I'm home safe? You set up your home safe. It just basically tells you, just to say that you basically put it in to make other people know that you're all home safe, and if you're not, they'll let you know. And again, look, set it up. I'll just go for centre of Belfast again. I'm going to be saying that I'm going to be home, which is theoretically what I've just put as Belfast City Centre at 13:35. There's the person I'm going to notify. Done, dusted, hit my... That's it. Again, I've cancelled it. There's my map. When I press it, it gives me exactly where I am. And again, I can, like I said, look at quite detailed again. That's it. That's all the north down area of Hollywood all the way down to Bangor. Okay, so again, it's giving me all this information and the dots and everything like that. Then I can obviously log my friends. The moment I've got Hillary there, I can add another friend. I press that, goes up into the details of an email address, use it, whatever email I want to give them, send it to them, they get it, and again then they follow that process. And again, if there's any alerts, this is where this will come up. Alerts and requests from your friends. So you're joining, like I said last time, you're joining like a community. The more people you get involved with this app within your circle of friends or even colleagues, the more information that you can actually access from it. So it is quite good if you think about it. And again, I'm going to remind you, and I'm going to keep saying it because people ask me, is it free? Yes, it is free. And then up here, you've obviously got my WalkSafe, where's my account, trusted circle, that's my friends, the locations, so I've stored up locations where I've walked to, and then any alerts or messages I want to go in there. I'm going to remind people again what I keep telling them all the time. You've got to practice with this, okay? It's not just easy of pressing something and it's going to work perfect. You're going to have to build it up, the memory of it. You're going to have to build up your friends, your addresses and things like that. And some of the people I've been talking to, well, they've actually built up quite a good circle of friends and they're quite confident. So it only literally takes them less than, I think they were telling me 10 to 15 seconds, and they can go out walking, they're safe, and at least they're alerting people when they're coming back, especially people that are living on their own, or their partner or husband, whoever that might be, is not at home, and they can keep in touch. If you look up here, you'll see the little SOS. Again, if I hold that, you'll see the countdown. I'll let go again. Now if I hold that down all the way to fruition, what it will do is it will alert my friends or my circle of friends that I have obviously an incident, and it will send location and let them know. Again, you see it? So I just let it go. I'm not going to set it off because I don't want to go through the system. And that's it. I know it very brief overview, and the reason why I do a brief overview instead of a detailed view from last time is because you're going to have to build upon it. That's the whole thing of it. You build your friends lists up there, you build up your routes, you build up your routine, you start to realize that it's a building upon everything. You're building up your addresses, things like that. And once you get to that point of where you've got a good selection of friends that you want to alert, you've got your routes already pre-programmed in, you can literally pull this out your pocket, fiddle with it for about 10-15 seconds, and you're away. Get to your location, you're happy, deactivate, or if necessary, in worst case scenario, I'm confident that this will alert your friends that you have a concern. For something that's free, for something that has no marketing on it, and it's got a really, really good reputation, where's the harm in downloading it and having a go with it for a couple of weeks? Because anything that can keep you safe, in my opinion, is well worth trying. So hopefully the video just give you a bit of an idea. Don't get me wrong, there's loads more stuff that you can probably find on it, and I have no doubt it'll be improved as time goes on. But let's just keep it simple. My disclaimer is this. WalkSafe have not asked me to do this. Nobody from the organisation has ever got in touch with me. Nobody has actually approached me and asked me to do a video on this. I've just done this off my own back under the umbrella of Quell. Because here, us at Quell, if we see something that's good, it'll improve the safety of everyone, well, we'll have a look at it. And if we think it's really good, we'll tell as many people as we can. And that's what I'm telling you. There's no harm in it. Download it, have a play with it, go for a walk with it, and see if it's just one little thing that'll improve your personal safety. Because as I always say, and you know it's coming, the only one that'll keep you safe is you. Thanks for watching. Please continue to watch our social media sites, and you never know, there might be something that might help you stay safe. Bye for now.